Switch the control box on and it will display the current temperature. As you can see, we've had this on for a little while already. Press the mode button once. That will display the start temperature. Press the mode button twice. That's the end temperature. The third time is for the number of seconds, and then it'll take you back to the original temperature. So what we'll do now is we'll set the press for 185 degrees for 150 seconds to press an 11-ounce coffee mug. Press the mode button once, take it up to 185, mode button again, that will give you the end temperature, which had already set at 185. 150 seconds, you can alter that by using the left or right arrow, and then you go back to the original temperature. Now we've reached temperature. You need to take your mug, pop it into the press, clamp it down fairly quickly and press the end button on the control box. So that will start the time counting down. As soon as that 150 seconds is finished, we'll remove the mug. Now for the final product, we've removed the transfer, which is here. And here is the coffee mug.